Good morning, Divergence traders. Just had to take a little swig of my water. Okay, what a day, huh? What a day. Okay, so where? What happened to that setup? Was that on? Oh, it was on the. It was on the. There was a setup I was gonna mark out, and it was on. It was on. I was looking at the Nasdaq, or not the Nasdaq, the S&P 500, and ended up trading the Nasdaq at the end, but it had a high and a higher high over here. I'll just quickly show you. Look. You see that right there? Ding, ding. We'll just cover it. What the hell? Let's just cover it. There was that setup. And there's a whole bunch of other setups. Was it here? Yeah. You're not going to believe this, but not on this chart, but hold on a sec, actually. Yeah, where the hell would have you got into this trade, eh? Out of nowhere, some news or something happened. Out of nowhere, it just fucking ran up fucking huge, man. Especially, on the Nasdaq, 200 points or some shit. Anyway, let me show you the trade. Let me show ya. Show ya. Okay, that was the entry point. Okay, we have a whole bunch of higher close. Sell it. Goes down. Higher close. I did this trade actually. It was a hook down. See what I mean? You know what I mean? It rallied up, give you the buy fake. It's just here. I put this on there for something else. Let me remove that so you can see it better. Okay, so we had the first candle close up above the two moving averages. The second candle is what I like to see, where it comes right, they smack it right back down, and they sold it off of 59.75 right here, and it's a hook down. You would have sold right in here, and boom, you would have took profit, okay? And any more than that, I don't know, but to try and sell it down into the bottom. Anyway, I was trading the Nasdaq later on, and I already had this divergence drawn out. Something like that. And where was it that I tried to buy? Oh, it was right here. This is where I was trying to buy, and look what they did. They just smacked it down, and they buy faked everybody in. Anyway, I was already long in here. I had to dump the trade, and I got out, had a loser, and then it came down again. I'm saying, okay, maybe it wants to go down. Believe it or not, I was fucking short down here, and I shouldn't have been short down there. As you guys know, I wasn't practicing what I preach. But can you see how sometimes you'll do trades and you can't see street? It's like you're all fucking cockeyed or something. I don't fucking know. But it's like it sucks you in because the market kept moving down, slowly moving down, moving down, moving down, moving down. It makes you think it's going to go down. And then that news or whatever the fuck it was came out, and I was short right in here, like right at the fucking bottom. I'm not kidding you. I do not lie. I'm a very honest person. I got out, I think it was either 2 seconds or 3 seconds before this big fucking spike up. Talk about dumb fucking luck or what. But I was still suffering this loss, so I was still in a loss. So in here, I said, oh, that's a big motherfucking candle. It's like 100 points, fuck. Right? Well, no, not 100. Well, almost 100. From here to here is 100. So with this candle, it's 100. Anyway, I jumped in, I got my losses back, and ended up still today with a profit. But then I said, holy fuck, they're really fucking around. I'm going to just leave this alone today. I didn't even want to trade today. I was sleeping so good today. I just got up like, I think it was 10 o'clock. That's when I started trading. Or no, it was 10 to 10. And yeah. And this was 10:20. See, like 20, 30 minutes later, they did this big spike up. Motherfuckers. I was almost on the wrong side of that. That would have been a very bad day. I do not use stops. I am the stop. I am the human stop. And now they're taking it up higher. So anyway, what did I want to say or show you? That was the entry right there. And up we go. It's very dangerous right now with these tariffs and everything. It's like, holy fuck, man. I'll tell you one thing. If you usually trade, say, two micros or two minis or whatever, if you're trading minis, go down to micros. If you're trading micros, like 2-3 micros, go down to 1 micro. Or don't even trade today. Don't even trade, because this is pretty fucking wild moves. Here's a 50-point runner right here. And it's still going. So you got to be really fucking careful. It's fucking deadly waters with lots of sharks in the waters that are going to bite you, bite you, bite you if you fool around with this. After this big, huge move up, I said, oh, I'm leaving it alone. And that's what I did. So anyway, that was the MNQ. Let's bring it back. And here is the S&P. There was a good sell here. It was good. Excuse me. Okay. Yeah, that's what they love to do. They love to drag people through the mud. Whether you're winning or even if you're on the winning side of it, and then they'll do something like this. Always out of nowhere, totally unexpected. Yeah, always on the last, on a trend down. It's always the very last fucking candle. They'll ram it right up your fucking nose. Right up there. That's what they do. They do it all the time. That's why it's so dangerous to try and trade near the end of the, but you don't know it's the end at the time, but you got to look at it as if it was a long trend down, you got to wait for it to break out. Otherwise, you're going to get caught in their fucking trap short, and they're taking it way up, and they're taking it way up very fast. As you can see what they did today. The motherfuckers. That's what it's all about. It's all about stealing people's money. Wherever there's money, there's people trying to steal it. Okay? Okay. Let's look at the MetaTrader now. Motherfucker, look at that. We're looking at XRP right now. Look at the wick on that. I said to myself last night, I said, oh my God, if we, I put the Fibonacci on it, see right here, it almost came down to the 61.8. Here's the low, here's the 61.8 right here. It almost hit it. So anyway, I said to myself, if we're today, when I wake up, if we're somewhere down here, oh, it's gonna go more, it's gonna go down fucking even more. That's what I said to myself. And it could still come back and go down lower. You just don't know. All that I do know is Elon and the big institutions bought it all the way back up here. And I said to myself, if today we close somewhere up here, everything's okay. It's still bullish. We're going to probably, head to new highs. That's what I said to myself. And as you can see, let's take off that Fibonacci. It's up above 250, which is a good sign, bullish sign. But they could still ram it down lower to $1.75, $1.50 down here. It would be just crazy if they took it right back here again to the low of the start of the rally 3 months ago. In November. In November, they started this rally. Don't know. It's got to wait and see what happens. Anyway, so here is the NASDAQ on the 5-minute. And there was no fucking trades there. No, there's no trades. That's a NASDAQ. Here's the S&P. There's no trades on the S&P. See? They're taking people down, taking them down, and then trapping them. And then whammo, you're cooked. You're done. Your account's blown. If you are short down here, boom, your account is blown. It's gone. It's done. Okay? Dow Jones. Oh, Dow Jones had a trade. If you had the balls enough to take it, 300 fucking points higher, enter the trade. No, it's not divergence. This needs to be less than this one. There's no divergence here. Pound dollar, what did it do? Oh yeah, there's like a double top sell, trap you in the sell, and up it goes. Euro, I don't see anything there. I see a barcode. Pound yen. Let's see what the pound yen did. Oh, they all did a fucking major rally. Something must have been tweeted, or somebody said something about the fucking tariffs or something. Something happened at that time right here. What time was that? 17:20. Yeah, don't know what it was. Like the news just passed at 10 o'clock, the ISM or whatever the fuck it is. Okay. There's no trade there. Euro yen, what do we have? Nothing. Nothing there too. Wow, there's no fucking trades. All there is the fuck you up your nose trades. That's what there is. Oil? Oh. That happened at 5 minutes before the other spikers spiked down. Got higher highs. Just down like that. And you would have got in there. It's also a higher close. Sell it. Down it goes. Here's another one here. I don't know if you would have taken it. That's oil. Let's look at gold. There's nothing there. It's just retarded. And how much did gold go up from down here? Oh yeah. 380 freaking points, man. On gold. What a rally, eh? Woo! It rallied up. Well, all the other stuff was falling down, like Bitcoin. Oh, look at Bitcoin. Go, Bitcoin, go. Go, baby. See? Where did they buy it off of? See, right here? Right here. They bought it off support. Support and resistance traders, they buy off of support and they sell off resistance. Meaning, if price comes down to a major support area, that's where they'll buy, just like they did here. If it goes up to a major support area or resistance area, they'll sell off of, from up there, they'll sell off of it downward. And that's the trick to trading. Yeah. And they've been doing it for years and years, like since the fucking 60s, man. And how do I know that? The broker that I used to work, that I used to trade with, his name was Hannigan. He retired. Or I mean, he definitely retired. He passed away. He's the one that told me that, you know. He says that we've been doing this, he says, you know, he says for like 40 years or something, he said at the time. And that was back in the, you know, the early 2000s. He told me that. Like 2002, 2003. Yeah. And it's and they're still doing it today, and they'll still do it 50 years from now. And yeah, they will. It's just the way of the market. If the traders who trade support and resistance, if they can get 8 or 10 trades that actually work when you buy it off of the support and sell off the resistance, the 1 or 2 big losers that you'll have will make up. All the wins will make up for the... I just couldn't get into that myself. I just don't like trading support and resistance. I use it to get out of trades or get, you know, or take profit or whatever, but that's it. Okay, so there's Bitcoin. It rallied back up nicely. Okay, fuck off. Should go to XRP. And as you can see, XRP came down and scooped up all the liquidity down here, sitting at $1.75 right in here, and they bought it right back up. And I have a feeling, or I'm hoping, we're going to keep going up today. And it's going to close up here, and it's going to keep going up. Because Elon and the boys, they got their fucking, you know, their easy lower price fucking fills, and that's it. Okay, that's it for that. What did silver do today? Oh, it's just sitting there. Ethereum? Yeah, it came back up too. Look at the big long wick. You fucking wicksters. US dollar yen. Yeah. Not doing jack shit. And USDX, what did the United States dollar do? They rammed it down. I don't know. I smell something fucking dirty here. Something tricky. Tricksters. Fucking tricksters. I don't know. I like looking at this chart. This is good. This is good. Yeah. Bitcoin coming back up. Okay. So basically, that's it for today, ladies and gents. Crazy spike up they did because they wanted to screw people, and that's what they did. And you look at the market now, it's moving ever so normally. So, whatever, you know? It's not moving fast anymore, spiking up 200 points just like that. No. No. Okay, that's it for today. I want to thank you for listening and watching. If you did like what you saw, you can hit the like button. If you really liked what you saw, you can subscribe. Okay, so if you're going to trade today, please be careful. We'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.